this is a server. And one computer may have, one, it may have 10, 12, it may have 20 servers, right? But let's just keep it simple here. Then around this server, you have all of these computers. Let's say it's a 100-person company. This person has to manage all of these computers. Let's say it's a 100-person company. Maybe you have 2 people who are managing not only the servers, but also all of these computers. Now, they also have to manage mobile phones and iPads that all of these individuals are also using while at work and also while they're at home. There's all kinds of issues around that. Now, they also have to deal with these employees who may be bringing their own computers or who may be working from home. Maybe they work Windows machines while they're at work, and at home they use Macs or MacBook Pros. So they're going from device to device. These guys are having to manage all of the security around that. Now, over here, you have hackers. Up here, you have hackers who are always trying to get into these servers, into these computers and these iPads at home, as well as the ones that are at work. It's a constant threat, 24 hours a day, right? These guys and girls have to also manage that and try to prevent that from happening, literally all day long and all year long. Then, these 3 people quit yesterday, so we have to get their laptops and remove everything off of them. 3 more are coming in tomorrow. We have to spin their laptops up. We have to get all of their applications and all of their software and all of their antivirus that's put on these computers. That's a lot of work for these 2 who are also doing all of this. By the way, this guy just lost their computer and they left it at the Starbucks yesterday. And this is an industry that's very concerned about compliance. So now they've got all kinds of compliance issues with the lost laptop they're having to deal with. All of these computers, the entire network, needs to have a patch on one of the pieces of software. Windows needs to be updated because they had a new update that came out. So they have to get inside of each one of these machines and they have to update the Windows on them. So all of this, and then you've got the other servers. You have the phones, you've got the local area network, you've got the wide area network, everything outside of the company that they're having to deal with. Then you've got the disaster recovery, right? If this server goes down, what happens? Is there another server somewhere else that's matching up with that? What's all the equipment? And they're thinking about an acquisition. They're thinking of acquiring another company where all this headache starts over again. So a lot of stuff, this is what these guys and girls are struggling with every single day, the nightmare that they have to attend to and that you are going to help them out with. So the net, guys, is that they don't have the time to be able to do all of this. They don't have the people. They're trying to find new people every day. And let's say this person just quit because they went to work at a higher paying job. So now all this has to be done by one person who doesn't have the time. Now they have to go hire another person to fill this role. What a nightmare, right? What a headache. And this person is thinking about their career the whole time. They didn't go to school to make updates on laptops. That's not what's going to bring them in the next level of their career. They want to work on strategy. They want to work on how IT can move the needle. And they can't do that with all this. So that's where you come in, and we're going to talk about that here in future videos.